You can turn 5 minutes into a full video with AI. Start to finish, no camera, no face. Here's the exact workflow and where it still needs you. Step 3 is where most people quit, and it's the easiest part. Step 1, the script. Ask Claude for a short, punchy script on your topic. Hook first, one idea per line. The catch? The first draft is generic. One round of edits makes it yours. Step 2, the voice. Paste the script into ElevenLabs and get a clean, consistent narration in seconds. The catch? Pick one voice and keep it. A consistent voice is your brand. Step 3, the visuals. Grab free clips from Pexels that match each line. This is the part people overthink. The catch? Don't chase perfect. Relevant and clean beats fancy. Step 4, assembly. Drop the voice and clips into CapCut, hit auto captions, and trim to the beat. The catch? Captions boost retention. Never skip them. Step 5, post it and reuse the same script as a short. One recording, 2 videos. That's the whole trick. 5 minutes, 5 steps, 0 on camera. Every tool is linked below. Subscribe and I'll show you one honest workflow a week.